In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Figma. First, select the image whose background you want to remove. Figma itself does not have a built-in feature to remove backgrounds directly, but this can be easily done using plugins. To do this, locate the toolbar on your screen. In the latest version of Figma, the toolbar is usually at the bottom of the screen, but depending on your version, it may be located at the top left. Once you find it, click on the Actions icon, then select Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, type Remove Background. You will see several plugins appear. Some are free, others are paid. Some work faster than others. Choose the one that fits your needs and click Run to activate it. If you select a plugin that offers options, it may ask whether you want to create a new image with the background removed or replace the current image directly. Choose your preferred option and wait a few seconds. The plugin will then remove the background from your image. After you've used a plugin once, you won't need to go through the toolbar again. Next time, just right-click on a new image, hover over Plugins, and you'll see the plugin you previously used. Click it to reuse instantly, and that's how you can remove the background in Figma.